Hey guys, so today we're getting a canopy installed on the truck. I ordered the canopy about 4 to 5 weeks ago, and it's finally here today. So today's gonna be the installation, and I will show you guys the before and after shot of the truck. It's a 2022 SR5 Tacoma with a long bed, so it's a 6.2 foot bed, and I really hope it looks good. I can't wait. It's gonna be awesome. It's 2:20 and there's traffic. Hey guys, so I'm here with the financial details of the canopy that I bought. It's a Leer 100R canopy with, I got the front slider window on it so I could have a pass through from the cab to the canopy. And then I also got the carpeted interior and I got it installed. And that brought me to a grand total of $3,069.59. And this is for a 22 Tacoma with a long bed. I'm really happy with installation and everything, and it looks great. The white, basically same color as the truck. Yeah, it's really good. Enjoy it. Would buy again.